All right, welcome to an incredibly drunk review of the Masakin, whatever the fuck that weird Chinesium name is, folding table. All right, so this thing is super light. Takes up a pretty small amount of space. She's not big by any means. Only thing, so far I can tell, that I'm not a super big fan of about this thing is it's only 18 inches tall. But, comes in two pieces. We've got this leg section, which is pretty cool. So all you do is extend it out, and then you've got these little guys that come across and clip in. One on the one side, one on the other. And then we've got a section that is the expandable tabletop. Okay? So this goes opposite to the way that you fold the other ones. There's these little grooves on the bottom. And bam. She's a table. She's only 18 inches off the ground. And if you want to compare that, there's a normal TV tray, beat up to hell with some AR-15 mags and a P08 Luger on top. Oh yeah, look at that. 1920 Luger on the table for scale. But overall, for 30 bucks, I'd be surprised if the Masakin is more than a pound. Overall, I'd buy it again.